IMB Stuttgart. I was with the guys from Alicona talking about the cobot system coming outside of the lab very much in tooling. Now, we're here at the SECO ITI event 2018, but could you tell me what you're focusing on here?
Yeah, sure, Mark. As you was pointed out to you at IMB, we're moving very much more into the production environment, and what you see here, of course, is an event which is entirely devoted to production. So what we've done is we've brought along one of our smaller systems, and we've created an automated program to run alongside the Mazak machine to allow us to actually automatically measure surface finish as it comes off the machine. So it's a further example of how we can really move into the production environment and get the results that we need for that market.
So it's not just about tooling?
Absolutely not. This is absolutely nothing to do with tooling. This is to do with the effect of the tools that are used and what surface finish they provide. And obviously the tools are being loaned or used by SECO.
And also, could you explain to viewers that may not know Alicona, the product range and the cobot system as well?
Sure. The system here is called the SL, it's the smallest of our range. But this particular head here, this sensor head, can be mounted onto a cobot and be used to measure larger products. So we can measure small products, we can bring small products to the device, or we can take the measurement device to bigger products.
And for those engineers that may not know Alicona, in reference to demonstrations, what do you actually offer in the UK?
We have a facility based in Market Harbour, where we have most of our equipment. We have service support and we have sales. So we're completely supported in the UK now.
So really your message is, you know, we're not just about the lab, coming into more of a manufacturing environment.
Yeah, we want to position ourselves in a very different place. We want to be in production, and that's where we're moving to.